So just a little update for you guys. The demo inside the building is finished and it looks amazing. We're really excited to show you video of that very soon, so stay tuned. But today I wanted to show you guys a corner of the building that we have been keeping a very close eye on. When you talk about old buildings and some of the things that may arise that are unexpected, this is definitely one of them. So I'm going to take you outside and show you what I'm talking about. To give you some context as to where we are in this big old building, we're on the north side in a corner that houses what used to be the old hotel manager's office with 2 guest rooms above it, as well as the grand staircase. As you look at all these windows, you'll notice that there is a curved archway above each one of them. And that is a structural engineering piece that has to be there so that the brick on this building is supported. Now, if you look down here at the bottom, you'll notice that there's a little tiny piece of an arch right here, but then nothing on that side. So at some point along the line, somebody removed part of that arch and never replaced it. They just bricked it in and left it. And now it's causing huge problems. To make matters worse, this section right here is a spot where there was probably a window next to that door there, and somebody took it out and just boarded it up. So behind that is an empty cavity below the spot where the archway has been removed. And it's just causing this whole corner of the building to sink into the ground. Check this out. So we're coming down to one of the landings in the grand staircase, and these windowsills will give you a pretty good idea of just how far this thing has dropped already. We have this huge pile of bricks down at the bottom, and more continue to fall every time it rains, because the other problem that we have back here is that all the water from the roof drains into a valley that comes right to this corner of the building. So there are lots of things that are playing into this failure back here. We're just hoping that it stands long enough for us to get our engineer and our masons on this project so that we can get it reinforced. After they take care of that back corner and get it ready to stand for another 121 years, the next stop for the masons is going to be repairing the oriel windows that tower above Main Street. These structures give this Queen Anne style building so much of its character, and we cannot wait to see them all finished so we can get that crazy scaffolding out of there. There are so many exciting things on the horizon at the Fort E.